I'm going to show you how to build a very unique feature wall using just trim and paint. First, I measured the length and width and divided it into sections. My trim is 4 inches wide and I left 8 inches in between. I measured up and marked them and then leveled them right across the wall. Always use a level. Don't expect your floor or ceiling line to be exact. I went from side to side because I used 8-foot trim and my wall is just over 10 feet wide. Then I measured smaller sections and cut each piece and placed it in. Make sure you measure each piece and don't assume because your first one is 21 inches that each one is. Houses shift and settle and your bottom and your top can sometimes be 1/4 to 1/2 inch off. Then I wood filled each hole and all of the seams and sanded until they were smooth. I also used caulking behind the trim. It started to look really funny, but with paint, it brought my vision to life. I used Black Magic by Seco, and I absolutely love how it turned out.